Ma'am Elizabeth Zimmerman Duterte, magandang hapon po ma'am.
Yeah,
Kamusta
good
po kayo today?
afternoon. Okay, I'm alright.
Ma'am, how was your visit, or should I ask, kamusta po si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte?
Si Rodrigo Duterte, okay siya ngayon. I mean, parang, no, happy, something like that. Pero not so happy. Yeah.
To si, ma'am, nakabisita po kayo dalawa today ni Sharky.
Because I really complained inside para, oh, my granddaughter is in the list. Why is it that?
Yeah. Was he happy also to see both of you, ma'am, sa visit? Yung ano naman niya, ma'am, meron ba siyang gustong maipahiwatig sa mga Pilipino?
This is what he said. That, thank you for all your support for him. It is giving him strength also. And then she said, no regrets of what I have done for the Filipino people. Yun ang sabi.
Ma'am, because matagal na kayo hindi nagkita, ma'am, meron ba kayo napag-usapan na he's very particular na napapag-usapan ninyo about perhaps Davao?
Yeah, I said Davao is peaceful actually, at maayo man ang pagkakuan ni Sebastian, pagkadala, and beside, Davaoenos are disciplined.
Correct, ma'am. How are you enjoying the weather right now, ma'am? Kasi mainit dito sa Netherlands.
Mainit
Talaga.
Kung hindi malamig pa. Init! Sobrang init! Magkagat sa skin mo ba?
Totoo, ma'am. Grabe, ma'am, dito. Ma'am, on behalf of the Filipino community all over the world, maraming salamat po, ma'am. We really hope that you will continue to have the strength and courage to see this through. Kasi nandito lang kami sumusuporta sa inyong lahat.
Thank you also for everybody, for the Filipino people, for their undying support to us. It has also given strength to us. We have also been hoping that this will be resolved earlier.
Ma'am, mabuhay po kayo until our next na pagkikita. Hopefully, pag naupawi na sa PRRD, ma'am. Magandang araw po sa inyo, ma'am.
Thank you. Good afternoon also.